Mary be the maid, be that marries the miller, for foul day and fair day is I bringing tiller, is I a-bringing his purse for dinner and for supper, and gin she please and get fat cheese and lumps of ale butter. When Jamie first did woo me, I speared that was his calling. Fair maid, says he, oh come and see, you're welcome to my dwelling. Though I was shy, yet I could spy the truth of what he told me, and that his house was warrant couth, and room in it to hold me. In winter when the wind and the rain blows over the house and barn, he sits beside a clean estate before a rousing fire. With nut brown ale he tells his tale, which rouse him out for now.